Hey y'all, so last weekend's run was a 6 miler. So I ran 6 miles week, which is long, but not, as long as my long runs have been. Um, it was a nice run. It was a good recovery for me for the weeks past long runs. This weekend is going to be another really long one. So again, really grateful for a shorter run compared to the one I'm about to do tomorrow, which is a 23-mile run. It's going to give me a really good opportunity to use my hydration fluids again. I'm going to be using my hydration pack that I showed you in the past. Um, going to be filling that up with some Gatorade, and I also found a link to a homemade solution that I'm going to be creating as well. So, kind of excited about doing that. I'll share that link with you too, and let you know how I felt with that. Um, Other than that, I don't think that I'm going to be using that heart rate strap like I did on the 20 miler that I did, just because of all the chafing that I got. Even though I was using the Vaseline, I think I just may go by how I feel when I run, making sure I stay in my heart rate zone. Um, won't be as accurate, but I think it'll be definitely more comfortable. So stay tuned to see a video for the update of that run. Until next time, I am off to the daytime job.